up, everybody? It's Jeffrey Benson right here. Super excited to bring you this brand new video again. All right, so in this video, I'm still talking about moving $400 to 4,000 US dollars. Have you ever wondered if one could actually make a living trading forex with small account? Because most people on YouTube, we see a lot of people making withdrawals of $100,000, a lot of money in buying cars, houses, and all of that. But I know you maybe a small trader or you're trying to just make a living or make ends meet, and with your $100, $400, $500, $1,000, you're wondering, can I be able to grow this amount of money? So I'm actually making this video just for you. So for those who are in Nigeria and are my Nigerian viewers, $400 equivalent to today's money as of the time of making this video is currently 220,000 naira. So I'm planning on moving that to 2.2 million naira. So that's the journey I'm already in. So just to let you know, to keep you updated, if you are seeing this video for the first time, if you've not checked other videos, this is not my first video. This is currently the day 4 in this challenge. I've already successfully pulled out my $400 which I invested. Right, that's because I already made 100% return. So I put out my $400. Now I'm left with $442 left in the account. So the trading starts again. So it's a brand new morning. Let's hit it hard today. And you want to check here, this is an analysis I did this morning. So I was expecting price to come into this box and then we go short for real. And right here we have the leader on my Telegram channel. So if you want to be a part of the Telegram channel, check the description box and use the link to join us right now. All right, so here, why did I go short again? Today we are on the road to $400 to $4,000. So yesterday I said I was going to make a withdrawal. I'm going to be showing you that in no time. I already pulled out my capital that I started with. I was able to move $400 to $900, but unfortunately, just a day ago, yesterday, I lost $56, and which brought me back to 800, and I can't remember, about $800. So I pulled out my capital since I already make 100% return. I put out my $400. Currently, I have 400 and some fraction left in the account. So here's why I took this trade. So yesterday we had this flash return. So while I was trying to buy here, I lost money right here. This is where I lost the $56, and I missed this move, this huge FOMC news that was released. So here we have this peanut where price consolidated here and it dropped. So this morning, fast forward to London session, price was at this point when I predicted that price come to this level. I'm going to go short. Why? We've got a psychological level right there, 1.3500. Yeah. And we also have a trend line which is coming from the up. And trend line needs 3 bounces. And we already have this first bounce. We had this one. This is a touch right here. This is a touch right here. Is on a smaller time frame. Yeah, this does not really work all the time. Some people are really not of the opinion of, for me, trading smaller time frame. Well, that's their opinion. I really understand my 15 minutes very well, and this is where I catch my early entries. All right, so I'm going to be showing you my entries in no time. Okay. So it's time for me to break even. So I want to break even is a state where I move my stop loss. Here's my stop loss, where my stop loss was at when I started entering from here. My stop loss was here. So right now I'm going to be moving my stop loss to somewhere very tight, somewhere right here, somewhere here now, in order for me to protect all my entries. So no matter what happens, I'm not going to be losing anything on this trade. I can only go with small profit. Okay, that's what I'm going to be doing in no time. All right, so guys, here on the MT4, I got my first entry at the top right there. Yeah, price was dropping, so I just shifted my stop loss to that tight point. I'm expecting price to drop, so I had other entries. I started using 0.08, 0.08. That's because their balance has reduced to 446. That's after my withdrawal. So withdrawal was deducted. This account was deducted. Withdrawal, you see, this is withdrawal through bank transfer. So it's a live account, guys. All right, so this is the withdrawal. So if I'm to show you my weekly, last week gains, you would see that, yeah, I deposited $400 and I've been able to make a profit of about 444, and I moved that $400. So that is what we have now, 446, and I'm currently floating profit of about $120. So these are the trades. So I caught this entry from this point. Right now, I want to start breaking even. So the point is, I'm going to be moving my stop loss right now to this point. So no matter what happens, I'm not going to be losing this trade. So all of these entries that I have at the top right here will be protected. They are deemed as protected trades. So let me break even to here. All right. So that's 1.34871. Okay, here is where price is currently at right now, and price is successfully getting to about 1.34500. That's 50 pips already caught. From here, this is more than 50 pips, but from this psychological level, 1.3 1.500 to 1.345. That's 50 pips. So I'm done for today. So let me show you the profit. This is 194 profit. So this is going to put our equity to about 6 something. Show you that it's still the same account, still the same life account. All right, and this is on the history part. Change it to today. Yeah, that's the withdrawal. So let me start closing now. Right now, start closing now. So I'm done for the day on this account. That's it. So where is the account at? So 614 US dollar. This is where I'm at. Moving it back up again. So I made a profit of 168 this morning. So, but one thing I really want you guys to take away is whenever you have hit a target, yes, just stop trading for the day. That's really a thing. Yeah, whether loss target or profit target, set that for yourself every day. Even if you have not probably hit your exact profit target for the day, and if you feel that there's no longer setup, don't force it. So that is what leads to over trading. All right. So that's one thing about Forex. Forex is you can be very smart, you can know all the rules, and you still fail. Because it's not about being smart. It's about really applying the rules when you're supposed to. It's about the discipline. Trust me, even growing a small account is a lot more difficult than training a big account, because small account, without proper money management, risk management, maybe whenever you're supposed to use one standard lot, for example, I'm just giving an instance, when you're supposed to use one standard lot, you're using 5 standard lots. That's an issue. Because any slightest retracement, yeah, you're out of the market. Not that your analysis wasn't correct. It's correct, but the slightest retracement, your account wasn't just able to hold it enough. Your equity wasn't able to hold it enough, and then you have a margin call. Okay, and finally, it's now moving in your favor. Whether it's moving in your favor or not, after your account is gone, is immaterial. All right, so that's why proper risk management and money management is really important. All right, so these are the things you really have to put into place in order for you to become a consistent forex trader. Make sure if you're trading a small account, use a leverage of 1 to 500. The bigger the leverage. Now, talking on leverage is an amount of money that your broker gives to you to trade your buying capacity. Let's say, for example, you've got $100, okay, and you selected a leverage of 1 to 100. What that simply means, with every $1 you deposit with your broker, it's going to be viewed as 100. That is, you have the capacity to buy something equivalent to 100. Although it's not going to be seen in your bank, it's not going to be seen in your MT4. It's just in your back office. All right. So if you are trading a small account, I recommend a bigger leverage, like 1 to 500, 1 to 1,000. This leverage might be illegal in some countries. To select huge leverage, yeah, that's because they are trying to protect their citizens. Example, like America. America recommend leverage of 1 to 30 for their citizens, while even some European countries only recommend 1 to 50, and some proprietary firms and other ones, they even have 1 to 3, as low as 1 to 3. The reason being that they don't want to give you too much money, too much buying capacity, so you don't hurt yourself in the end. You don't lose too much money. Why? Why would you hurt yourself with leverage? Here's the thing. If, for example, you came in with $1,000 and you selected a leverage of 1 to 100, that simply means your 1,000 times 100, that is your buying capacity. That should put you at 100,000 buying capacity. What that simply means is, in that account, you can only trade one standard lot. Why just one standard lot? That's even depending on the pair. Yeah. Why is it that you can only trade one standard lot? The reason is, for one standard lot, the contract you are buying 100,000 units of the base currency. Let's say, for example, you're on GBP USD. That is, you need 100,000 of GBP to participate in GBP USD. That's the meaning of one standard lot. All right. So you find out that you need a lot of money for you to even trade even one micro, like 0.01. Okay, for 0.01, you need 1,000 units in order for you to purchase GBP USD, 1,000 units of GBP USD in order for you to participate in GBP USD. So that is why I'm recommending you select bigger leverage. Now, what happens for someone who has $1,000 account and you are selecting 1 to 1,000? That simply means 1,000 times 1,000. That's going to be your buying capacity. You understand? So if you really understand how leverage work, I think it's not going to hurt you. So you just maybe you just increase your leverage, yeah, and you tune your use of your stop loss, you tune it down a little, make it a lot tighter, and also reduce your lot sizing in order to suit your own personal day trading. So I believe you guys learned a two thing in today's video just by looking at the whole trading and all of that. So It's just 10 o'clock. I'm done already. Let me go ahead and start editing this video. Please, guys, subscribe. Share this video with someone who wants to learn how to trade and how to grow his or her money. And I'm sure they're definitely going to find value in it. You can never tell. Share it on your WhatsApp, share it on Instagram, share it on Telegram, anywhere, any platform, on Facebook that you know people would really be interested. All right. Thank you guys for sticking around, and see you guys in the next one.